I'm offering my amendment with my colleagues, Congresswoman DeLauro, Congressman Larson, Congressman Courtney, and Congressman Hines, the entire Connecticut delegation. We've come together as a delegation to provide an opportunity for schools to access federal funds to rebuild, renovate, or repair their facilities if that facility had its learning environment disrupted due to a violent or traumatic crisis that took place on campus, and if the local educational agency deems this action necessary to provide an appropriate learning environment. This amendment would expressly create the allowable use of funds under the local competitive grant program. Since December 14th of this past year, Sandy Hook Elementary School in Newtown has not been used. On that tragic day when we lost 20 innocent school children, ages 6 and 7, and 6 brave and dedicated educators. The families of this community have been tested to the limits of human grief. As this community attempts to heal, the learning environment inside that school, as you can imagine, has been forever disrupted. Students and teachers are now housed in a neighboring school district, and the community, as communities in my district, and I'm sure in your districts, are proud to build schools and proud of their schools. However, when major tragedies strike, especially ones that cannot be predicted, there's an appropriate role for the federal government. For natural disasters, the Stafford Act assists with those rebuilding efforts. And under the current Early and Secondary Education Act, the SERVE grant provides federal assistance after a traumatic violent event for mental health counseling. This amendment, number 40, would allow local communities to apply for a local competitive grant that would serve their unexpected and unbudgeted needs for replacing a school when it was too traumatic and disruptive for student success to ask those educators and those students to return to the classroom. This amendment would not help just Newtown. In fact, many of your home states, New York, Georgia, Oklahoma, North Carolina, Florida, and Colorado, have also experienced traumatic school shootings. Similar language has already been included in the Senate version of the ESCA reauthorization during the Help Committee's markup. Madam Chairman, I respectfully request that this committee make the amendment in order to help the small, brave community heal and to apply for federal funding for their most important current need for their students to help the Newtown students move forward. Thank you, and I yield back the balance of my time.